Good afternoon, everyone. Here is the next lecture of discrete mathematics of Unit 1. Here I will discuss mixed numericals. I was discussing it yesterday also. So it is the continuous session of mixed numerical. We had discussed question number 1. Now the question number 2 is, there are two shopping malls near to each other, one with signboard S, good items are not cheap, and second with signboard S, cheap items are not good. So we have to check, do they mean same? So we can see the question. In question we have asked to check whether the boards are saying same. So we can say the question is of logical equivalent. Yes, in logical equivalent we used to check LHS is equal to RHS. Is it yes or not? So here we have to find out the logical equivalent of the two propositions, of the two statements given here. So let P is equal to items are good, Q is equal to items are cheap. Yes, there are two statements only, good items, cheap items. So P is equal to items are good, Q is equal to items are cheap. So symbolic form of shopping mall with signboard 1 will be good items are not cheap. It means S1 is equal to P implies not Q. Similarly, the symbolic form of second signboard will be S2 is equal to Q implies not P, as it is cheap items are not good, so Q implies not P. Now we have to check according to question LHS logical equivalent RHS. It means P implies not Q, logical equivalent Q implies not P. So for checking them, we will have to make a truth table. We will make the truth table of LHS. Similarly, we will make the truth table of RHS. So we will check, are they same or not? Yes, we can say the last column of truth tables, both the last truth tables are having last column same. So yes, both shopping malls signboards are saying the same thing. Here LHS is equal to RHS, so both shopping mall signboards mean the same. In question we will have to identify the language. Maybe sometimes it is not directly given to have logical equivalent, then we will have to check, we will have to identify the question language. Next question, third, test the validity of argument. If I study, I will not fail in math. If I don't play basketball, then I will study, but I failed in math, therefore I must have played basketball. So we can check solution. Let P is equal to I study, Q is equal to I will fail in math, R is equal to I play basketball. Symbolic form will be, there are three statements, one conclusion. So symbolic form will be S1 is equal to P implies not Q, S2 is equal to not R implies P, S3 is equal to I failed in math means Q, and conclusion will be I have played basketball, it will be R. So the argument form will be S1, S2, S3 argument R. It means P implies not Q, R not R implies P, Q logically argument R. So for arguments I have already taught you how to check the validity of argument. We will have to make a truth table. In truth table we will have to find out which are the given premises, which is the conclusion. Here we can see the premises are given in second last column and also second column, and conclusion is given in third column. So we will check column number 2, column number 6 and column number 7. So in column number 2, 6 and 7 we will check premises are true in which row. So we can see here in row 5 all premises, 3 premises are true together. So in row 5 we will check the conclusion, which is R, in column number 3rd. So in column number 3rd R is also true. So yes, this argument is valid because in row 5 all premises are true. Similarly conclusion is also true in the same row. So this argument is valid. Here are two questions which I have given in homework. Test the validity of argument. If it rains, I will be sick. It didn't rain, I was not sick. Test the validity. It's an easy one, you can do yourself. It is a mixed numerical. Next, show that P and Q. This is the sign of logical equivalent. Everyone, you must know. I had already discussed logical equivalent. You have to show P and Q logical equivalent P by conditional equivalent. Very easy question. Just make the truth table of LHS and RHS, then match. The answer will be LHS is equal to RHS because you have to show. You don't have to check. In the case of show or proof, you already have the answer in question paper. You just have to prove them. Second one, B part, P by conditional, not Q. Logical equivalent, P implies Q. Do yourself. Answer will be LHS is equal to RHS because they have to show, not have to check. Okay then. Do these questions in homework. These are the numericals of mixed questions. I have told you already many concepts of unit 1 in propositions, unit 1 prepositions. So you have to do these questions according to those previous concepts also, concepts only. Okay then, thank you for today.